Marvin's Magic Box of Tricks. Magic made easy for young magicians. Let's have a look at what's inside. Marvin's Magic Box of Tricks is full of colourful magic as easy as ABC. This really is a great set for young magicians and recommended by the Magic Circle. Marvin's Magic Box of Tricks. Have fun. Inside the set, you'll get all of the props and full instructions. But remember, as all good magicians know, you must practice before your first performance, and that way you'll get the best out of your Marvin's Magic.